Hello guys, so today we're going to be installing RTL Fixer for macOS in the newest version, which is version 4 and above. So what you want to do is extract the zip file and click on the package file. It will prompt you about this, which means you will go to settings to approve it. So click done, you go to your settings and you go to privacy and security. In privacy and security, you scroll down all the way down and you click open anyway. Open anyway. Put your password in and the installation will start. You click on install, put your password in once again, let it install, and it will finish. Click allow, and now it's finished. You click close, allow again, and keep or put in trash, whatever you want. Now we're going to be loading RTL Fixer. So RTL Fixer is going to be in your applications folder. You go to your applications folder and you click on RTL Fixer. You load the app, you will realize that you need to give it two types of permissions: accessibility and input monitoring. So in accessibility, you click open. It takes you right where you need to. You allow it and quit and open. Then the next one, open settings. You go here. If you already have that, which means you probably had a previous version of RTL Fixer, just like me, you're going to need to remove it and then click plus again and select RTL Fixer and once again quit and open. I can click done. It sees that it has the right permissions and everything should work fine. Now, we're going to need to activate your software. So we click on the app. It will prompt me to register this computer. So we're going to click register this computer. It will put you in this website. I show my registered devices because I've already a bunch of devices that I'm working with RTL Fixer. So I'm going to take the right serial for it. I'm going to copy it, go back to RTL Fixer, put my credentials, meaning the email that I've registered myself with, and the activation code. I click on register, and it tells me that the registration was finished successfully. I click OK. Now, you will need to close RTL Fixer first before you can start using it. So you're going to need to close the app and then load it again. After that, you're good to go. Enjoy!